Phew! I can't wait to get home and read for a while. Today has been a super productive day. I've done it. Oh, what a scare. Who are you? Oh, I think it's a detective, right? Is there any problem? Oh, he has something to tell me. I'm here because someone has vandalized the statue of the town, and I need to figure out who did it. Can I ask you a few questions? Sure, yes. I'm willing to cooperate. Okay, the first question is, do you take showers every day? What? If I do take a shower every day, what type of question is that? And look, I have two buzzers. On one says, yes, I do, and on the other one says, no, I don't. Okay, I have to choose an answer, right? Yes, I do. I absolutely have a shower. I take a shower, every day before going to school. Okay, he's writing down the answer. Yes. Second question. Do you have fruits for breakfast every day before going to school? The options are yes, I do, or no, I don't. I mean, yes, I have fruits, but just sometimes, not every day. Some days I have fruits like bananas, apples, grapes, but some other days I have cereals or maybe a sandwich. So I think I'm going to answer no, I don't. No, I don't have fruits every day. Yes, okay. And he's writing down the answer again. All right. Let's check the third question. Do you go to school by feet every day? If I go to school by feet, like walking, yes I do, or no I don't. This is again tricky because yes, some days I go by feet, but Tuesdays and Thursdays I take the bus, and on Fridays I take the subway. So I'm just going to say, no, I don't go to school by feet every day. Okay, time for you to write down the answer. And the last question is, do you get dressed by yourself every day? What? If I get dressed by myself? Yes, of course. What do you think, that my mom is going to dress me up every day? No. Yes, I do get dressed by myself every single day. And he's writing the answer. Oh, okay. What happened? He just left? And that fast? I'm curious to know who did vandalize the statue of the town. Let's see what happens next.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids, are you ready today to work with the present simple? Yes, let's do it. Okay, first of all, we have here the explanation. Look, the present simple for questions needs an auxiliar such as do or does, the same as sometimes for the answers, okay? Look, here, for example, we have I do or I don't, you do or you don't, we do, we don't, they do, they don't. But for he, she, and it, we cannot use do or don't. We use does and doesn't. He does, she does, it does, or he doesn't, she doesn't, it doesn't. Okay? See that here we have an example. Do you play sports? Yes, I do. Does she play sports? No, she doesn't. We cannot say no, she don't. is no, she doesn't. All right? So, in here, the first activity says quite clear. Trace over the questions below and connect them with your answer. The first question says, do you take showers every day? And as I love writing and practicing and improving my English, I'm going to trace over. Do you take showers? Do you take showers every day? Do you take showers every day? And is do you, right? With you, we use the auxiliary do. So yes, I do, or no, I don't. Yes, me personally, I do have a shower every day. So yes, I do. Okay. Then let's go for the next one. Do you like to read books? Do you like to read books, or do you like reading books? Do you like to read books? I love to read books. Oh my God, it's my favorite hobby. So yes, I do. I love reading books. I love. Okay, like I'm going to draw a heart. I love. But if you don't like reading, you say no, I don't. Okay, these are my answers, not yours. Let's go for the next one. Do you have fruits for breakfast every day? So we practice do you have fruits for breakfast? Every day. Do you have fruits for breakfast every day? Me, not every day. Sometimes, maybe Mondays, Tuesdays. Some days I have eggs. Some other days I have cereals. So not every day. I'm going to say no, I don't. And finally, do you like ice cream? Do you like ice cream? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Okay, so remember, when we have in the questions the auxiliary form do, ideally the answers should be yes, I do, or no, I don't. Okay? Good job.